Hello everyone, welcome to the Sanchez Official. For this episode, we are taking you with us in Irvine, California, a home to a new Hyatt Regency. This property was formerly the Hotel Irvine, but it is now owned and operated by Hyatt Hotels and Resorts. The hotel chain spent $55 million in renovation completed in 2024, giving this hotel a luxurious look and a new vibe. We hope you stay with us throughout this video so you can see the extensive enhancements they have done on this hotel. The renovation of this hotel spans the lobby, 516 guest rooms and suites, and elevated public areas including on-site marketplace, Regency Club, and spacious indoor-outdoor lounge with fire pits. This Hyatt Regency Hotel also boasts more than 50,000 square feet of flexible meetings and event space, including an impressive 14,600 square foot Regency Ballroom, which is the largest of its kind in Orange County.
As we look up at the stars in the sky, did we ever stop and wondered why we let our love shine all through the night? Just you and me, babe, until the morning light. The morning light. Come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. Just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night, keep dancing. Stay up until the morning light. The morning light.
While staying at this hotel, we enjoyed hanging out in the lobby in this massive dining area with tables and chairs that are so comfortable to enjoy a meal with your friends and family. The modern design of this hotel delivers an elevated ambiance to their guests. The on-site market allows guests to grab a quick bite to eat. They have a breakfast menu and all-day sandwich and salad options, making it convenient for guests. Open in July 2024, this restaurant and bar presents a menu that captures the essence of Orange County. Warehouse 72 Restaurant offers a blend of innovative and traditional American fare. The modern design of this restaurant elevates the ambiance, which extends to their outdoor terrace overlooking the courtyard and pool.
Okay, now let's go into our room. It's 614. Hello, Abby. How are you? Hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's show them the room. So guys, this is our room. Look at that. It's pretty awesome. Nice background design in the wall. So we have 2 queen beds. Pretty cool night lights. Okay, so let me show you the restroom, bathroom, shower area. This is a sliding door. Here you go. That's pretty cool.
In addition to luxurious accommodations, the hotel has also upgraded its fitness offerings to support your workout no matter what time of day. The new 24-hour Stay Fit gym is equipped with Peloton bikes, live fitness cardio equipment, and a variety of weight machines.
Okay, time for night swimming, guys. Abby, are you going for swimming? Yeah? Okay, here. Use the door key to open the door. Got it. Good. Give me. All right, go. Yeah. Oh, look at that. The pool is all yours.
Watch me, just follow every move.
The new pool area at Hyatt Regency Irvine is a masterpiece of relaxation and entertainment designed by Greek architects. It features a zero-entry pool, ideal for families, and is complemented by a splash area and a whirlpool spa.
The night is still young. All we need is now.
Adding to the entertainment, a large 24 by 17-foot LED screen that lights up the deck, display live sports, evening films, and more, making the outdoor pool deck a year-round destination for fun and relaxation.
Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you blow slowly. But don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want.
The pool has water slides for kids, which makes it even more enjoyable for families with small children.
Stay in the light. I want you to see it. Just for tonight, I want to believe. So keep on coming closer. Keep me hanging on. Let me feel your body. I want you to know all we need is now.
Guests can indulge in the luxury cabanas and pool chairs while enjoying a dedicated bar serving food and drinks.
Just let me feel you close me. So don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you blow. Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.